Technicians will wipe down your household items in the affected areas to eliminate any dangerous surface mold that might have developed and stow them away before they begin the work. What you see here is the technicians setting up a containment barrier in the entryway of the kitchen. This is done to separate the affected area from the other living spaces to contain the drying process. Following the containment barrier setup, our technicians will clean the area with a HEPA vacuum. This special vacuum will remove more microscopic mold spores, dust mites, dust, and other allergens from the air than a non-HEPA vacuum. Then, we will mop the area to ensure your property is left in a pristine condition. In addition, we will wipe down any tables or furniture that is in the containment area and lift the furniture with a block and tab. This helps make furniture easier to move and protects the floors from getting scratched or stained if the furniture is wet. These are high-speed air movers that the technician is carrying in. All of this equipment helps with circulating, cleaning, and drying the air. Our goal is to dry the areas you don't see where the dangerous mold likes to hide and thrive. Usually, we leave the drying equipment for 3 to 6 days. These are used to eliminate odors and break down volatile organic compounds in indoor environments. So we have cleaned, set up the drying equipment, checked initial baseline moisture levels, and documented our findings. This is what the final setup could look like in a property. Now it's time for our technicians to remove the protection floor paper and leave the property.